In this video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step method for affiliate marketing for beginners and also show you some of the best tools that you can use to get up and running fast. Coming up. How's it going, my friend? Karma Cashflow here, and welcome to the channel where we help you build endless streams of passive income by building online businesses. Now, before I forget, if you would like to continue the conversation outside of YouTube with like-minded entrepreneurs and myself, then I highly encourage you to come check out our Karma Crew community, and you can get there by going to karmacashflow.com/community or just clicking the link in the description below. So first thing first, I want to start off on why affiliate marketing. Why is it so powerful? How is it so awesome? Everybody's talking about it. So the number one thing that I like is that you don't have to personally create a product. You don't have to have a service. All you're essentially doing is marketing someone else's product and someone else's service. And really, this is no different than a car salesman, all right? A car salesman, it's not their car. They're selling the dealership's car or the car manufacturer's car, and they're getting a commission anytime that they sell it. That is essentially what affiliate marketing is. And so all the time that it would take you in order to do and create that product or service, you no longer have to deal with. You can get started right away. So starting your affiliate marketing business, you can get up and running super quick. You may need a landing page or a website or something like that, but those things are very secondary. Like, those take no time at all to build out. So with affiliate marketing, you can get up really quick. And because it doesn't require a lot, that means that the startup cost is actually really low. You might need $7 or $8 for a website, and that's pretty much it. Or if you want to do things for free, you could start a YouTube channel by using your phone. Either way, the startup cost is minimal. And affiliate marketing is incredibly lucrative. You can make a lot of money using affiliate marketing. And I've seen people literally make millions of dollars in affiliate marketing, and then others only make a couple $1,000s a month. But affiliate marketing has that potential to be extremely lucrative. It can make you a lot of money. And another thing that I like about it is that that money is pretty passive. You set things up once and you don't have to do that much with it afterwards. You might have to deal with some ads, making sure that they're performing. You may have to make another video on YouTube, but there's really not a ton for you to do once it's properly set up. And there is a proper way of doing things, and we're going to get to that. Now, another thing that I like about affiliate marketing, especially for new people, is that there's no experience required. This is not like you're just going to go get a job as a financial advisor. That position needs knowledge and skill. Whereas affiliate marketing, the barrier to entry is really low. There's almost no experience required, and the knowledge that you need is readily available. In fact, for the next few videos, I am doing nothing but dealing with affiliate marketing, giving you step-by-step actionable knowledge on how to get started in affiliate marketing. Now, another thing that I like about this is that it can start off as a supplementary income. You don't have to drop your 9-to-5 in order to do affiliate marketing. You can spend an hour or two a day building up that passive income using affiliate marketing until the time comes when you can actually quit your job. And then at that point, it becomes your full-time income. And that's so much better than having to go to a job that you absolutely dread. And I'm not saying that you dread your job. That's not what I'm saying. But most people do. Most people do not want to get up out of bed in the morning to go drive 30 minutes to work in a job that they just don't like. So what tools are required in order to do this? So number one is a landing page software. This could be something like ClickFunnels or Kartra or some other landing page software. It is going to be where you design your landing page, which is essentially a one-page website that has a very specific purpose. And we're going to get into this in other videos. Now, my personal recommendation is to go with something like ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is incredibly easy to use, and you can get started right away with it. When you're looking for a landing page software, you want to get something that's really easy to use. Don't get something that's super complicated that's going to take you a whole lot of time trying to figure out. You want to be up and running really quickly. And everything that you're going to be doing that I'm going to teach you is going to be driving people to your landing pages. All right, so number two is email marketing software. You need a way in order to email the people that are going to be leaving their information. And again, this is something that ClickFunnels can do. So you're killing two birds with one stone by going with something like ClickFunnels. And again, there are links in the description below. You can check them out. It is an affiliate link. So what that means is that If you click on that link and decide to go with ClickFunnels using my link, then I'll get a small commission at no cost to you. Now, the next thing that you're going to need is a website. All right. I always recommend to people, even if they only are using landing pages, to also have a website as well. When people want some confirmation about who you are, what you're presenting, and so forth, they don't just want to see that one page that you drop them on. Right? They want to learn more about you. So I highly recommend people to have websites in order for that person to get a little bit more knowledge on who you are and what you're doing. For instance, my website, Karma Cashflow, most of what I do, I drive people to landing pages, but I still have a basic website so that people can go check out who I am and feel more comfortable with me, because what I'm doing essentially is I'm providing value and telling people my recommendations. And if they don't trust me based off of a single landing page, they also have an opportunity to go find out more about me, who I am, what I'm about, my values, and everything. So that's number 3. Number 4, I recommend a second platform. And what I mean by second platform is a social media type channel, whether it's YouTube or a podcast, or you're getting really big on Instagram. It doesn't really matter. You want a marketing channel that you can provide value and either recommend the product specifically, like I just did with ClickFunnels, or you can provide value and send someone to a landing page that will ultimately sell an affiliate marketing product. And last but not least, is an ad platform, right? You need to decide and figure out what ad platform you're going to go with, whether it's going to be Facebook, whether it's going to be Google or Twitter or LinkedIn. It doesn't really matter, but it's something that you can target certain individuals that have a particular interest in something and send them to your landing page. And we're going to get into a lot of details in further episodes, but just realize now that you need these 5 particular platforms. 1, you need a landing page software. Number 2, you need an email marketing platform. Number 3, you need a website all your own. Number 4, you need a second platform. Maybe it's YouTube, maybe it's Facebook, whatever, or TikTok. TikTok is a really big thing. Gary Vee's going on and on and on about talking about TikTok. And I know people like Rachel Peterson are going crazy over on TikTok with millions and millions of views a week. Whatever it is, have that second platform. And then number 5 is decide on an ad platform. And one thing about the ad platform is I do not recommend choosing to do all of them at once. Pick one, get good at that one. And then once you're good at that, then you could start branching out to others. And for the most part, I do kind of recommend Facebook ads, but not always. It really depends on what affiliate marketing product you are pushing. There's some that I've seen that work better with Twitter ads, and some that I've seen work better with LinkedIn ads. But what I recommend is testing one, getting good at that one, and then branching out from there. But you need to decide on an ad platform, because that's what we're going to be doing. Is we're going to be taking that traffic and sending it right over to a landing page. And that's just one of the strategies that we're using. And that strategy works really, really well. And it's actually one of the ones that I recommend and personally do myself. Now, if you want to find out some other ways that you can make passive income online, go ahead and check out this video here. It will show you a lot of different strategies on how you can build passive income online. And remember, you are just one cash flow stream away from financial freedom.